Hi guys, good morning. I'm going to the city for lunch. I'll have lunch in the city, and this is my, what you call this one? Relaxation day. After a whole week's work. And now I have to relax. Lunch, I'll go to another state and then go back to the city for movies and other things. Whew. But first of all, I'll fill in petrol. Gasolina ba? Gasoline. Yeah. Yeah. Go, mommy, go. Look what's a sinabi. Okay. Go, mommy. I have to fill in petrol. I'll fill this up. At you go. You know, at you go. Nothing to eat. Nothing to eat. And nothing to hit me. I have to contact the lawnmower man. My lawn is already, just need already mowing, or I'll do it. So that the lawnmower will be used, you know. If things are not being used, it will be a problem. Okay guys, here I go. I'll not use music in my car because I'll have a what you call this one? CPR. I don't know where are the people. I haven't contacted for more than a week already. Nobody contacting me for more than a week. Anyway, they will see me on Facebook. If I will not post in Facebook, I'm gone. I'm face out. I mean, face out from this world. Many men are working. I'm too hungry already. I will go to another state. I'm a member of the other club. I haven't gone for a month already. I don't know what's up in there. It's just timely because I'm very hungry. I will eat good food. Come on. Too slow. Looking at me. The driver looking at me. maybe the driver knows me. You know, in town, almost all people know with each other. Murray Valley Highway. There are many people. What is in? Oh. There's something gathering in town. I do not know. So many over there. I've been working. That's it. I don't know what's happening. Friday's the start of, what is that one? I forgot. Kohona show. But I have work. Okay, guys. It's already a long video. At the moment, I'm at the Murray Valley Highway at the speed of 60. Only 60 here. But later it will be 80, and then from 80 to 100. Okay guys, enjoy the day. It's Saturday, my free day.